Welcome to the Sodick booth. This is our newly developed LPM 325S metal 3D printer. Based on the LPM 325, the previous model, we reduced non-operating hours such as material replacement work and maintenance. We are raising the utilization rate, which is key to productivity. In addition, to meet the demands of diverse metal 3D printers, we have developed this product with the goal of long time, high speed, and stable molding. The maximum object size is 250 cubic millimeters. 2 lasers, 500 watts, can be installed as an option. Newly compatible metal powders can be used in addition to conventional ferrous and stainless steel powders. It is now also compatible with aluminum and titanium powders. Regarding the background of developing the LPM 325S, there have been problems with conventional metal 3D printers, as they can be difficult to operate because it is a new processing method. Another problem was that maintenance was required frequently. Given that these non-operating hours have a major impact on productivity and manufacturing costs, LPM 325S incorporates a variety of innovations to increase the operating rate. The first is simplification of powder replacement work. In the past, it was common for one machine to be used exclusively for one type of powder. Therefore, it was difficult to accommodate a wide variety of powders. If the type of powder is to be changed, our operator had to do the replacement work in about 2 days. But in the LPM 325S, the product is designed so that the customer can replace the powder within 2 hours. As a result, multiple powders can be operated with a single machine. It is possible to reduce the cost of printing using a wide variety of materials. The second is a significant reduction in the frequency of periodic maintenance. When manufacturing using metallic 3D printers, it is necessary to periodically remove and clean fumes generated during printing. LPM 325S reduces the frequency of maintenance to approximately 1/2 that of a conventional system. In addition, maintenance work has been consolidated and simplified. This reduces the time required for work. In addition, forming monitoring function is available as an option. By constantly monitoring the condition of protective glass and fumes to detect abnormal shapes, it is the new function that prevents molding defects and equipment troubles. By installing 2 lasers that are faster than before, dual laser is now available, which achieves more than twice the molding speed. LPM 325S is a multifunction processing machine that can also perform reference surface machining. By enabling easy, accurate positioning in the next process, shortening the time and precise positional relationship of the internal structure contributes to overall efficiency improvement and improved performance and reliability of shaped objects. For additional information, such as detailed explanations and requests for estimates, feel free to contact us if there's anything we can do to help. All Sodick employees are looking forward to hearing from you.